Before you scroll away thinking wood carving is only for wizards with long beards, listen closely. Because today we are turning small sticks of wood into big chunks of profit, a dose of creativity, and something your family might actually admire instead of throwing away. Welcome to the beginner-friendly world of whittling wood carving, where shaving wood is therapeutic, turning scraps into art is satisfying, and the final results are so charming that customers willingly pay actual money for something you made while sitting on your couch eating snacks. Because whittling has one magical rule: every mistake can be saved. A wrong cut becomes a nose, a deeper cut becomes a beard, and a broken piece becomes, wait for it, a limited edition artistic modification. Mistakes equal designs. Now imagine this. You're holding a block of wood. After a few delicate cuts, light sanding, and a random moment where you question your life choices, suddenly you're staring at a cute wooden figurine, a tiny bird, a spoon with personality, or a quirky little gnome. Someone sees it and says, "That is adorable." Then they take out their wallet. Beauty in small creations. Welcome to wood carving with profits baked in. Let's begin with softwood, because softwood is like the beginner-friendly gym equipment of carving. Basswood, pine, and cedar are perfect because they politely allow you to cut them without emotionally attacking your hand muscles. You don't need complicated machines, just a good whittling knife, sandpaper, and your imagination. If your imagination is currently on vacation, don't panic. Pinterest will rescue you. Start simple, confidence grows fast. Now let's start carving something tiny and profitable. Miniature animal figurines. They are surprisingly popular sellers. Small wooden owls, cats, turtles, tiny foxes. These items sell fast because people love decorative things that fit on shelves. One little owl with big eyes can easily sell for $15 to $30, and for a beginner that's basically being paid to relax. Tiny equals profitable. But if tiny animals aren't your vibe, carve spoons. Carved spoons sell even faster. It's not just a spoon, it is a handmade spoon carved by a human who was emotionally invested in the wood. Etsy customers love that energy. Add a heart shape at the handle, paint the tip gold, or carve a smiling face into it. Suddenly you're selling whimsical artisan kitchen spoon, handmade. Doesn't that sound fancy? Absolutely. Everyday objects become art. Next project, little gnomes. Whittled gnomes are like emotional support figurines. People buy them for decoration, gift-giving, and wedding table decor. And they're easy. Carve a hat, carve a beard, put a nose in the middle. Boom. Done. If your gnome looks confused or slightly weird, customers adore it even more. Weird sells. Quirky sells. Imperfection sells. Imperfection equals personality. Now the best part, wood carving is a faceless craft, meaning you never need to show your face on camera. Just show your hands working. Angle the light, keep wood shavings in frame, and voila, aesthetic studio vibes activated. Add relaxing music. Add captions like, "Carving wood slowly because therapy is expensive." Or, "If this gnome doesn't sell, I'm adopting him." Your audience laughs, they subscribe, they watch again. People love watching things transform. It's satisfying and soothing. Let's talk high-profit specialty carvings. Miniature wood houses. Yes, tiny houses. Carve little doors, carve chimney, add a small carved tree beside it, and you have a full collectible. A miniature wood village set can sell for $50 to $120 depending on detail. Small sets sell as premium bundles. Next, wooden keychains. Nothing sells faster than personalized items. Write initials. Carve names. Carve symbols like hearts, stars, coffee mugs. People love personalized accessories. Sell them in pairs, instant couples product. Personalization increases profit. Want even more profit? Carve desk buddies. Desk buddies are small characters placed on a table to motivate you emotionally while also silently judging your life choices. For example, a little frog in a hoodie, a duck reading a book, a bear holding coffee, a cat meditating. These things sell because they express personality. People buy mood, not object. Next, carved letters. Decor letters are always trending. Make initials. Make words like home, love, eat for kitchen walls, and naps for bedrooms, very needed. Wood letters are easy to carve block style. Slight sanding, rounding corners, and varnish equals product ready. Simple shapes look premium. Another project, wooden pendants. Small heart cutouts, leaf shapes, tiny moons, tiny stars. Attach a string or cord. Done. Very lightweight. Very trendy. Very giftable. Wood pendants cost pennies to make, but sell for $10 to $20 each. Low cost, high selling value. Let's move into carving strategy. Start a carving with basic block shape. Remove corners first. Round the edges. Then refine smaller features. The joy of carving is that your brain slowly realizes you made an object. Not by assembling, not by printing, but by subtracting. You literally removed material to reveal the shape hiding inside. The shape already exists, you're just releasing it. And if your project breaks? Congratulations, now it is officially distressed artistic rustic vintage style. Put that in your product listing. Watch sales rise. Would buyers love adjectives? Rustic, handcrafted, organic, minimal, earth tone, textured. Add any of these and boom, you are selling designer decor. Words make art valuable. Episode 1, Carving a Tiny Owl. Episode 2, Carving a Spoon that looks judgmental. Episode 3, Carving a mini gnome army. Episode 4, Carving a wooden potato, because art is subjective. People will watch because creativity mixed with humor equals retention. Take slow cuts, highlight shaving sounds, add close-ups. Your video becomes ASMR. Now time for finishings. Oil finish equals deep warm color. Matte varnish equals subtle elegant look. Clear coat equals smooth modern vibe. Add leather cord, small box packaging, wax seal branding, premium upgrade achieved. Presentation multiplies value. You do not need high-end equipment. A knife, sandpaper, safety glove. That's basically it. The simplest form of making profit. So today remember, small block of wood, creativity, humor, carving therapy. Small wooden figures can bring big opportunity. Tiny spoons become emotional support spoons. Small carved animals become collectibles. Your weird gnome becomes someone's favorite gift item. Never underestimate the value of handmade art, especially when made with personality. And most importantly, if your first carving looks suspicious, confusing, asymmetrical, or like it escaped from a magical forest, someone will still call it modern artisan rustic minimalistic Scandinavian-style masterpiece. That is the beauty of handmade goods. So pick up a knife, pick up a block of wood, sit comfortably and carve something hilarious, something beautiful, something perfectly imperfect. Because wood carving isn't about perfection, it's about transformation. Go carve something that tells a story. Go carve something simple. Go carve something profitable. And remember, every block of wood is secretly waiting to become art, and you're the person who will reveal it.